Welcome to another lesson in cybersecurity. Today we will discuss the software development lifecycle. While security controls can promote effective measures in the final security of a product, many developers believe that it can impede innovation as everything follows a rigid plan. What is the SDLC? By following a systems or software development life cycle SDLC, the solution being developed has a better chance of being implemented successfully. The objectives of the SDLC and maintenance are to understand the rationale for the system's development lifecycle. The SDLC recognizes the stages of software release and appreciates the importance of developing secure code. The process allows the users to be aware of the most common application development security faults and explains the cryptographic components by developing policies related to the system's acquisition, development, and maintenance. To ensure that the correct system security requirements are in place, security must be considered from the genesis of the project. An attempt to retroactively inject security into existing code does not usually work, or it ends up creating new vulnerabilities and/or instability in the code. The SDLC provides a standard process for any system development. There are 5 phases in the SDLC according to the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST. NIST is a physical sciences laboratory and a non-regulatory agency of the United States Department of Commerce. The cycle includes requirements analysis, design, implementation, testing, and evolution. The phases stated by NIST include an initiation phase that establishes the need for a system and documents its purpose, and a development/acquisition phase where the system is designed, purchased, programmed, or developed. NIST also includes an implementation phase when the system is tested and retested. In this phase, modifications are applied until it is accepted. The NIST operational phase puts the system into production. The final category is the disposal phase, which recommends the orderly termination of the system. SDLC principles apply to commercial off-the-shelf software, COTS, and open-source software where the development is not done in-house but should be evaluated to ensure it meets or exceeds the organization's security requirements. Only stable and tested software should be deployed and used when there are software releases, an initial release of software for testing, and when a release is considered unstable. The other categories where the SDLC applies include the following situations: where a release candidate, RC, exists. Deployment of a hybrid beta and final release version. Solution has the potential of being a final release unless significant issues are identified. When there is a general availability or go live scenario. If the software is to be made commercially available. Thanks for your attention. This has been another lesson in cybersecurity on the software development lifecycle from Cybersecurity for Everyone.